now in a situation like what we are in today, which is a situation where you got large number of these viral particles, they can go anywhere. They don't have to be in specific areas or places. You cannot say this is safe, that is safe, that this is safe, that virus cannot go there, so can so and so. So the question of where this can be used, I would say everywhere. Everywhere it can be used. I would have this in the hospitals first, because that is where your frontline workers are working. Okay, they need the primary protection, number one. And they also have huge load. The viral load in these places are very high. So that is one thing. In fact, I'm very happy that many hospitals have already gone into it. Some of them have even written to me saying that they could bring down their infection within their hospital. Similarly, banks is another area where people go because they need to go collect money. When I say banks, that includes ATMs and other places where people have to go for money. Then you have other places where humans go is malls, shopping areas, because you need to shop, you have to live. So these are another areas. Then another important factor, a very important industry that is really suffering, is the entertainment industry. Getting the entertainment industry back is equally important, not only from the point of the people, but by the point of the profession. So that's another important area. Then education. Your children are literally bored sitting at home, and children are made to interact with each other. Children are made to, you can never get a small kid to follow all the norms and everything in a classroom. So educational sector is another main area. May it be the universities, schools, colleges, whatever, it's another. Then we have another important area is the police and the fire force, the defense, and our legislatures or parliaments, where we need our leaders to be protected, and unless they are protected, we cannot be protected. So that is another area which is important. So at the moment, we are looking at all the stationary assets like buildings and so on. Sooner or later, we will also look at moving assets, buses, trains, that we can see later. But right now, this is another main areas that we need to see that it's protected and cleansed. It's very important that we all may be thinking, what happens after the pandemic goes and everything is normal? What happens to this device? So I install it and everything is cleared off. What happens to it? Believe me, it's a continued protection. These bugs are going to keep coming again and again. I'm talking about the viral particles of different types having similar kind of attack mechanism can come again and again.
Shaikokan. Let's bring life back to normal and normal back to business. Visit shaikokancorp.com today